and prayer, I guess. One thing I remember from this monastery where we used to go to as children, sorry guys, it's at work, was how the tinted windows would, okay, wait a second. Let's see if we can find someone here first. There's another troops down there. Wow. Maybe we can go here. Hello? Hello? The stairs are here for sure. So, hello? Is it possible? Yeah, da? Here? Спасибо. Yes, it's possible. Okay, so we start the climb. So come with me to the top of a monastery bell tower. So as I was saying, one thing I remember is that the windows in this monastery where I used to go to in Italy were tinted. Well, not tinted, but they were... Even the clear windows were kind of darkened a little bit. And they had a very peaceful inside. And then when we'd walk out, you'd suddenly be hit by the full strength of the summer sun. And it was a really beautiful feeling. I wonder which way we should go. Well, I would say this way. Okay. Better not slip your foot in here, or you could get hurt. And it's also cool because, all these little doors lead to somewhere. Some little rooms. I'm not sure, look at that. That door goes somewhere for sure. Who knows where? Okay. This is as steep as it looks, by the way, so... The first level of the bell tower. Look at this giant bell. It's amazing. Okay, and on we go. So there's a lot to be said for the craftsmanship. Man, these steps, you can't even tell one from the other as they're going up. That's crazy. I think we're reaching the second level for sure. I haven't been able to see if that's the last. And it is not. Whoa. Wow, this goes up forever. Let's keep going. We're in pigeon territory. Well, the air is getting Wow, look down. That's crazy. The air is getting, yeah, that I'm not, I'm not going there. Sorry guys, this is where it ends. So, here we are at the top of the giant bell tower. We can see the road we came from. We can see Tiraspol down in the distance. And what else? I don't think we can see Bender. It shouldn't be far though. That may actually be Bender. Who knows? Well, here we are. Mission accomplished. I will not be holding my camera as I go down because I don't want to slip. I think I will need both of my hands, most likely. But there's a nice breeze. You can see some hills, so who knows? I don't have a compass, but maybe my phone. Oh, and I'm getting a message. Welcome to Moldova, or Moldova. So I'm not sure. Transnistria is really thin as a country. So once you're in Tiraspol, you're still pretty close to the border with Moldova, as well as the border with Ukraine. So currently, it looks like we're facing. This would be, generally speaking, north. So let's say, I'm not sure exactly, but that's east. We have the border with Ukraine all down that way. Behind me is the south. So if you keep going this way, you reach the Black Sea, and then you can follow to Bulgaria, well, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, and and keep going. And next in line would be Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and off you go. And south is there, yeah, and west is this way. So this is where we're going to be heading tomorrow, which might actually be. Bender's about 20 kilometers away, so I don't think we can actually see it. I don't know if you can see in the distance, but down there I see some chimneys, like some industrial smoke and stuff. That might be Bender. Anyway, what a beautiful little excursion. Very, very happy. So thanks for joining me, guys. I'll pick it up again downstairs, and we'll see if we can talk to someone, and see if we can learn a little bit more about this monastery. See you later.